Good morning, ABC crew. Welcome back to AB's Kitchen. And today, guys, I did start this before I was gonna record, but here we are. So we're gonna make some steak breakfast burritos this morning. So right now, this is a steak that I marinated for 24 hours. I don't know if you saw that other video that I have out with the steak that I did, but this is one of the steaks. So I marinated this for 24 hours and just letting it cook now, and I'll be back when I start the second part of this. We're about done here. I was about to start cooking without you guys. I woke up hungry this morning. I was like, you know what? I'm not going out here in this pandemic to try to get something from a restaurant. I decided we're going to make some steak burritos this morning. So listen, let me get this out the pan and I'll be right back. Got a little onions going on over here so I can grill my onions. Once these onions are grilled, I'll make a little gravy. Let that steak smother in that gravy. Make my eggs and put in my burrito. Okay, I put in 2 tablespoons of butter. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. This is going to make our gravy. So I'm going to let this cook out. Let these onions, let it get that onion. Taste of the onion in there. And I'm going to add some chicken broth, guys. Adding the chicken broth. I'm going to start off with 1/4 cup. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more. Alright guys, it's looking good. So now I'm going to add a little seasoning in there. A little seasoned salt. A little pepper. And see, the meat was already seasoned and marinated. So right now I'm just seasoning up the gravy. And y'all, let me tell y'all something. This smells really good. It's even waking up the house. So now they putting in orders. So now I gotta add some rice with this to stretch it. Alright guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, so it's about ready for me to transfer this to the plate that I'm going to transfer it to. And then I'm going to get my eggs ready. So this looks really good, guys. I taste the gravy. I'm telling you, there's no lumps. All you see is bits of onion. So this is good. I'll be back. And now, I'm going to get these eggs done. And yes, I cut up some green onions in my eggs. All right, guys. This is just a little butter that I'm putting on the outside, guys. Okay, guys, look at that. So listen, let me plate these up and I'll be back with you. My breakfast burrito. Ooh, look at that steam coming out of there. It's hot. And guess what, guys? I'm going to enjoy that while the rest of my family enjoy the steak, eggs, and rice. So listen, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to AB's Kitchen. May you have peace and have a nice day.